Go back to the Program tab. The next thing we're going to do is program these pockets. So we're going to be using 2.5 axis pocketing. And the way we're going to approach this, we're going to machine. We have 2 pockets here that are deeper than this. So these 2 are the same depth. This one obviously is shallow. So we're going to go and program these 2 deep ones at the same time. So let's remove our default region. And because they're both at the same depth, we're just going to use the flat area region, and we're going to select both of these bottom areas. Not that. 2 of those bottom areas. So we got 2 areas we're going to be machining. And for the tool, we're going to use our 3/8 inch flat end mill. Let's go to the cut parameters. For pocketing, we're going to leave some stock because we're going to come in and finish the sidewalls with another profiling operation. And because it's roughing, 1/10 of a tolerance is probably enough. We're going to do an offset cut pattern. We're going to go around the pocket, and we're going to do start on the inside, step over 25 thousandths. All this is fine. And for the cut levels, where is the geometry in relation to your cutting? So it's at the bottom of the cut. And how deep are we going to cut? We're going to calculate that from the model. We're going to pick this button here. We're going to pick any point on the top of the cut and any point on the bottom of the cut. It doesn't have to be in the pocket. It could be over here, so long as it's at the top. And then we're going to pick a point at the bottom. So it comes up, it's 1.5 inches depth for the pocket. We're going to break this up into 1/4 inch cut levels, okay? And for the pocketing entry and exit, we'll just leave it set to a ramp entry, linear exit. Advanced cut parameters, we'll go ahead and leave all that set. Let's just generate that. Okay, so we have 2 pockets. Let's turn this on so we can actually see the pockets through the part. If you just rotate it up, you'll see that the pockets stop here. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this or clone it, and we're going to edit that. We're going to remove those, and with this time we're going to use this curve as the bottom of the pocket because I've got an opening here. We're going to use the select curve edge regions. Pick that curve. Now, obviously this is not as deep as the other pocket, so we're going to make some adjustments. We're going to use the same tool. All this is the same. Cut parameters, all of this is the same. So this is this is a good reason to use the clone operation command if you're going to use the same type of operation and if everything's going to be the same except for the cut levels in this case. So we're going to calculate a new depth. It's going to go from the top to the bottom, and we'll see that it is 3/4 of an inch deep. We're going to leave it in 1/4 inch cut levels. Everything else is the same. We should generate that. So there is our second pocket. And let's go ahead and simulate those. We'll just simulate until. So turn that off. So you see that we got it faced off. We got our 1 pocket and we got our second pocket. A real clean breakthrough there.